Does the lack of funding prevent you from growing your online education program? Well, stay tuned because we have the perfect solution for you. LearnDash paired with GiveWP can help you generate the necessary funds to enhance your courses, support scholarships, and make a meaningful impact. Let's discuss 5 ways to open new funding channels with the power of LearnDash and GiveWP. Number 1, add donation options on your website. Traditional education institutions often have established channels like alumni networks or grants for fundraising. But as an online educator, you may not have access to these channels. However, using GiveWP with LearnDash, you can create a comprehensive donation management system that works alongside your online courses. By adding donation options directly on your program's website, you can tap into the generosity of your students and supporters, creating a fundraising campaign that can be run entirely online. Then we have number 2, create compelling donation campaigns. In the online space, engaging donors can be a daunting task. Building connections and motivating individuals to contribute to your cause requires strategic planning and effective communication. GiveWP provides a user-friendly interface that enables you to create compelling donation campaigns, highlighting the impact of each contribution. By showcasing the direct correlation between donations and the positive change they bring, you can inspire your audience to take action and support your educational initiatives. Next, we have number 3, offer scholarship opportunities. Scholarships play a crucial role in making education accessible to those who may otherwise be unable to afford it. However, funding scholarships in online education programs can be challenging without a designated platform. GiveWP allows you to create specific fundraising campaigns focused on scholarships, making it easier for individuals to contribute and support deserving students. Number 4, build strategic partnerships. Collaborating with nonprofit organizations that align with your course's mission can amplify your impact and reach. However, forging these partnerships and effectively collecting donations can take time and effort. By using GiveWP with LearnDash, you can seamlessly collect donations on behalf of these organizations, streamlining the process and strengthening your alliances. By showcasing your commitment to social causes, you not only enhance your course's credibility, but also inspire a sense of purpose and community among your students. Lastly, we have number 5, maximize crowdfunding initiatives. Innovation and growth often require financial resources. Whether you plan to develop additional course resources, create an app, or establish a physical learning space, crowdfunding can be a powerful tool. GiveWP simplifies the crowdfunding process by providing customizable campaign features, enabling you to rally your online community behind your vision. In conclusion, don't let financial limitations hinder the growth and impact of your online education program. Embrace the power of GiveWP with LearnDash so you can expand your funding options and grow your course business. Ready to get started with GiveWP? Follow the link in the description below to learn more.